There is a free building material sitting right beneath your feet today that possesses a power so absurd it makes the modern construction industry look like a scam. Dirt. Just take it, mix it with a little water, pack it down tight, and you create a wall that will last for 1,000 years. It never rots, it is completely fireproof, and it naturally regulates indoor temperature without costing a single cent in electricity. But if you try to build a home with it today, the authorities will tell you it is illegal. Why would a miraculous, life-saving, and entirely natural solution be systematically erased? I will tell you the brutal truth. The $1.82 trillion global concrete industry cannot afford for you to know this secret, because you cannot build a patent moat around dirt. And what cannot be owned cannot be turned into perpetual revenue. The archive opens not in a sterile, modern corporate laboratory, but centuries ago, in the treacherous, unforgiving mountainous terrain of Fujian, China. The Hakka people were facing a constant, brutal threat from heavily armed bandits, ruthless warlords, and hostile invading armies. They desperately needed fortresses that could withstand absolute devastation and protect their families for generations. But they did not have access to industrial steel plants. They did not have access to massive concrete mixers or heavy transport trucks. They had absolutely nothing but the raw dirt directly beneath their feet. They took that earth, mixed it with raw sand and a very carefully measured amount of water, and compressed it brutally hard between massive wooden frames. They built the Tulou, which are massive, multi-story earthen fortresses specifically designed to house entire communities and protect them from total annihilation. These staggering earthen structures did not just merely survive the passing seasons. They repelled literal cannon fire. They withstood massive, earth-shattering seismic earthquakes that effortlessly leveled ordinary timber and stone buildings in the surrounding regions. Some of these towering earthen fortresses have been standing proudly for over 700 years, remaining fully intact, fully functional, and completely defiant of time and nature. The ancient builders who constructed them understood something incredibly precise and deeply scientific about the natural world. They engineered with dirt, and they created a composite material that endured across the violent rise and fall of entire, massive empires. And then, the modern world systematically and intentionally forced us to forget this absolute miracle. The corporate architects and industrial lobbyists taught you that building your home with raw earth was primitive, backward, and highly dangerous. They successfully convinced a whole generation that a house is only truly strong if its foundation and walls are poured from a toxic chemical mixer sold by a billion-dollar company. But history immediately and forcefully proves them completely wrong. Vast sections of the Great Wall of China, a structure so massive it is legendary across the globe, were built using this exact same rammed earth technique. Our ancestors held this miraculous, undeniable power to survive, to thrive, and to remain absolutely independent from massive, fragile supply chains. They did not need a specialized factory to manufacture their walls. They did not need a crushing, lifelong loan from a bank to purchase heavily synthesized, chemically treated building materials. They simply had the earth, and that was more than enough to build a permanent legacy that utterly outlasts modern concrete. This is undeniable, unyielding physics and chemistry. When you compress the precise mixture of raw clay, jagged sand, and heavy gravel, you are essentially creating man-made stone right in your backyard. The actual science behind this process completely shatters the carefully crafted illusion of modern, incredibly expensive construction methods. First, you must look at the brilliant phenomenon of thermal mass. A properly built rammed earth wall is incredibly, astonishingly dense. During the scorching, unbearable heat of the daytime summer sun, the thick earthen wall acts exactly like a massive thermal battery, actively absorbing the heat and keeping the inside of the house beautifully, consistently cool. At night, as the outside temperature drops into a freezing chill, that same wall slowly and steadily releases that stored radiant heat back into your living space. It naturally regulates your indoor temperature without ever costing you a single cent in electricity, completely rendering expensive, energy-guzzling HVAC systems entirely unnecessary. Second, you must seriously look at its shocking fire resistance. When you pack raw earth this tightly, you aggressively deprive the entire internal structure of oxygen. Rammed earth scores essentially a perfect 0 on flame spread tests, performing exactly like other ancient, unpatentable natural composites. In a country where raging house fires cause approximately 2,700 tragic deaths and $7.3 billion in massive property damage every single year, building with earth offers a level of absolute fireproofing that modern synthetic materials genuinely struggle to even remotely match. But the most deeply uncomfortable data point for the modern construction industry is the unbelievable lifespan of the material. Modern pressure-treated lumber rots, splinters, and decays in roughly 15 to 20 years, even when heavily saturated with chemicals. Standard commercial concrete violently cracks and ultimately fails as the internal steel rebar slowly rusts over a few decades. Rammed earth, however, only gets harder. It mineralizes and cures over centuries, effectively turning back into pure, solid stone. Furthermore, consider the environmental devastation of the status quo. The global cement manufacturing industry currently generates approximately 8% of all global carbon dioxide emissions, which is significantly more than the entire global aviation sector combined. Rammed earth emits virtually nothing into the atmosphere during its creation. It is the ultimate, sustainable, indestructible material, verified entirely by the sheer passage of deep time and the rigid, unbreakable laws of thermodynamics. So the deeply unsettling question is no longer whether rammed earth actually works. The science is settled, and the historical proof is standing tall. The real question is why you have never heard of it, and why your local contractor absolutely refuses to use it. The answer is not scientific in any way. It is entirely economic. The global concrete market reached an astonishing $1.82 trillion in 2024, with industrial cement alone accounting for an absolutely massive $384 billion of that total. The United States fiberglass insulation market totals an incredible $2.52 billion. They eagerly sell you fiberglass insulation containing formaldehyde-based binders, which is officially classified as a known human carcinogen by international cancer agencies, and they confidently install it in 90% of American homes. Why would they choose to surround your sleeping family with cancer-causing toxins instead of natural, perfectly safe earth? Because planned obsolescence always beautifully beats permanence in the boardroom. A material that lasts forever cannot possibly be sold to you every single decade. The entire business model of the modern construction industry depends entirely on selling branded, patented chemistry that you firmly believe only they have the power and authority to produce. You cannot build a massive corporate patent moat around the dirt sitting in your backyard. You absolutely cannot build ongoing customer dependency on something that is completely free. So, how exactly do they suppress this ancient miracle without causing an uprising? They do not necessarily need to pass a loud public law explicitly banning it. They simply build an invisible, suffocating wall of regulatory absence. The modern building codes were carefully written by corporate incumbents, strictly for the financial benefit of those same corporate incumbents. Because rammed earth is completely left out of the conventional standardized codes, you cannot get a legal building permit from your city. No permits officially mean you get no home insurance. No insurance means no bank will ever give you a mortgage to build your house. They deliberately leave it out of the codes. They hand you toxic fiberglass instead, and they have the sheer audacity to call it modern progress. The suppression is not some wild, theoretical conspiracy discussed in dark rooms. It is a cold, calculated structural architecture designed specifically to ensure that you never step outside their endless profit loop. What cannot generate massive corporate profit gets systematically buried from public knowledge, no matter how perfectly it works. They have aggressively hidden this truth from you for generations, but you can take this incredible power back today. You do not need a fancy engineering degree, And you do not need a massive bank loan. You just need the physical strength of your two hands and an absolute refusal to depend on their predatory system. Building a rammed earth wall is violently, beautifully simple. And it begins right now. Here is exactly what you do. First, aggressively test your dirt. You need a soil mixture that is roughly 70% sand and heavy gravel and 30% sticky clay. You can easily find this perfect material directly under your topsoil for completely free almost anywhere in the world. Add just enough clean water so that when you squeeze a heavy handful of the dirt, it firmly holds its shape without crumbling apart. But it absolutely does not leave your hand wet or muddy. Second, build your wooden formwork. Use whatever scrap wood, old thick plywood, or solid timber you can successfully scavenge to create two parallel, incredibly sturdy wooden walls. This is your mold, your personal factory, and your instrument of freedom. Third, pour your perfectly mixed dirt into the wooden mold, spreading it evenly about 4 to 6 solid inches deep. Now comes the actual magic of the process. Take a heavy tamper, a manual pounding tool you can easily make from a heavy piece of dense wood or a welded piece of solid metal, and violently compress that dirt. Pound it down relentlessly until the earth literally rings with a solid, echoing thud. You must ruthlessly compress all the trapped air right out of it, permanently locking the rough aggregate and sticky clay completely together at a microscopic level. Add another 4 inches of dirt and fiercely pound it down again. Layer by beautiful layer, you are literally forging your very own stone. When you finally remove that wooden frame, you will be staring directly at a breathtaking, naturally striated wall that could easily stand for a full millennium. It is brutally simple, it is practically free, and absolutely anyone with a strong back and the determination to be truly free can do it. This is about so much more than just building a sturdy wall to block the wind. It is about your personal sovereignty. It is about making an absolute, unyielding refusal to decay. When you deliberately choose to build with the free earth directly under your feet, you are violently opting out of a rigged economic system that views you as nothing more than a blind source of perpetual, endless revenue. You are completely rejecting the toxic, carcinogenic chemicals they constantly try to pack into your family's home in the name of profit. The ancient knowledge of exactly how to build a structure forever has always been right here, patiently waiting in the dirt, completely and totally free. Do not ever ask for their corporate permission to be truly independent, because they will never give it to you. If this video successfully opened a hidden vault of truth for you today, subscribe to the channel right now and share this video forward immediately. Every single share preserves the exact sacred knowledge that the massive industry invested billions of dollars to permanently erase. Every single person who finds this crucial information is one less profitable customer for them, and one more mind set free. The very next archive opens soon, and I promise you, what is waiting inside is even heavier.